Abushafo emo bibia chi emo wakwaba ene eye ukuada anopa no nso ensem ahodo ayensa kan ya boa no de ba besum se kase ebo wo Yok FM ni Hytvgh so kase ebo no ya bo ne bede a egu abefo ntenta kase ne so Facebook ani YouTube benya bi akenkan hwe bi wo ho se de etie na anopa ensem no de bedi mu akotini bini minority leader onimonyamfo Haruna Idrisu akasa achese eyade a onimonyamfo James JT Jachi question ono ena ye asin not mrahye bedwani se yade a na oman no afa kwampa so continent ne so ede no ekokopiem ewo court de anyade a oman mu mrahye bedwafie no ebe hyehyɛ na ti so omokwa akogigi ne amanim bia sanso na enu adanso aposifo ede krata aba abonten se bro champion hene ono kro ya ono ena eye chairman edema NPP amanyoko no ewo bro emantam ne mu owura Kwame Bafo yebone mrane se abronye enu ada aposifo ede ensem aba betudwa krata aba abonten se ya kire no ehun nsem no akwa akosisei ena no pei ensem bika wenum ho ene aboa no ne asi hu konya ayede ba besom sa no pa no nso kase ebo ewo ye djubadie dada ye dina no pa bia ya to ne din se Yok morning eso na enyu mpanimfo so koto se bodomo si apata so ana enye ne pemu na emom obi na ama no so de na koso bia na no pai wonam kaso ana ne mpotemu ba bia obehu so ba bi na fu awuro tintin besese na ne mu abusei ne nantie no okone left right twini nya se Methodist for him na chesa na adwono wa na obi apia no anadwene ne anopai no enyuma koya dawro ma no mo apia me de kase ne eba besom no aseda kase yemfa nkoma han Yok state wamansa ase ayefo Adom's boutique ntade ne doso Sarabo hotel baby aye beda no eho eye kama pa Adom's boutique ne han Yok state ahomatrofo ni 0243 708 485 0243 708 485 so onimonyamfo James Jachi question na omaimu nso emra yedi ebo abato ho bra edidi dwuma nyina ne se wuntimi nye oman hudo su ni na wonsa nye Ghana ni tese dual citizen no wuntimi nye eno no emra emma okwan esa akrampo a eye criminal offense na chese with this empanti ni ebetimi achew a prosecute na eno na onimonyamfo James question ebe sinsan nkrata oye na MPP for so mo hunade bi se ade a papa no oye Canada ni eno no kro ya nso san ye Ghana ni nti ene dual citizen ache no na omode atwe no ko bra sa na ema enam so kra ma court eye se papa ye ntwene nsan mo nyina ba bia mfra no se mrahye bedwani bium na onimonyamfo Haruna Idrisu ono no ye dom kuma no eba no dani na wo chese se yade a oman no befa kwantene ne so ekwan twurodo a eho ni asem so ena omode papa yi bekwa kopeyem ombeto nsafra no court no aba bedi ne dwuma na se omakwa kototo na no ahwe ne nsem na aye nhwehwemu mapade a ene mrahye bedwa no nyade a obia be hyehyɛ na chi na omakwa ye no ene yesi kwan ya jeje no oye ba ya kana se motom akoba tan onhwe ma akroma nche ne ba da ne eye ne sa eno de anyade a oman no ebe mrahye bedwa no ebe soso sa ne ma no so nemum se yamfa kwan paso nemum yesi ye be tete no ye be fa kwan bia so se ye pase ye gi 11 tumunti na ne ye ba be twe ba kwa sensan sa ne ye be ye nipa no so betena nka omodi wi no ma ba be gi 11 atumudi ene eno de emada omobesi hu ano kwan.
It's about the law and about respect for the Constitution of Ghana, which is the good and our highest law. You heard the justices of the Supreme Court themselves at the last year state emphatically and strongly that the manner of service is unconstitutional. Let me put it out quite clearly that at no point in time has it ever been the intention of the honorable population or the minority not to be accountable to the law. What we have sought to question is the process and procedures allowing us to be accountable to the law and to respect the fidelity of the law. The same Honorable Education was arraigned before a CID investigation. So ask yourself, how did that happen? They came through properly to the speaker and he facilitated that. So if you wanted to serve him, the easy thing to do is to come through the same route of the speaker and accord the constitution on how civil and criminal processes are served. That is all. Indeed, he was in the chamber on Friday, and therefore if anybody says that they don't know what to do is to pass through the office of the speaker. Speaker Alban Babel will not show any person or say anywhere that members of parliament, we are not about the law, we are accountable to the law. But is it for nothing that the same constitution says that when the president is in office, there shall be no service from him within the must we disrespect that? Must we? So it is about respect for process and procedures. Now what we have seen happen in court, very significant for me. I heard a deputy attorney general state that mere reference to Article 94 of the Constitution, that's mere reference, yet it is part of the charges against Honorable Education that Article 94(2)(a) is now even for their purposes merely referred to. So what are they seeking to do? Because 94(2)(a) is the heart of eligibility. It's at the heart of any trial, whether civil or criminal. And it's important for you to note that at no point in time this honorable education hide from the public and the Ghanaian people as to the fact that he had denounced his citizenship in Canada and was in the process of obtaining same. What we do know is that he was validly and impressively elected by the people of Assembly.
Enti si yefa mara kwan so na se yeto nsa de frɛ no ama emra eye adwuma dia ene yebegya no manaba na nkoba ne sa pa dia si yebegyae onimonyamfo James Jachi kwesi muni manaba nse mobeti yen dodo so ne de aba be fa ho hwen ne akwakwaji Hytvgh atum de eno de nya de ebe mano esi onimonyamfo Haruna Idrisu ono na ye dom kuma no eba no dani ena yekohwe ni yanto akase ebone so yeto aso ane yakopiem awo pani a ono ena ye mirasebedwani edema adehia ewo noton onimonyamfo Samuel Okudjeto Abrokwa akasa na oche se emma muhwe mu hu ye papa so bo hu sa ba bi wo ho na wede nipa nso de ne ho akono sen chenam na ubehu oba pa na atade ehye no na ode ne nam na chese wo ho na eto nsafro ni bibia kire se bra oba nso na okan onfa na asamaka na onfa na de na besie na chese mu na ato eno na ebebem se wan hwe ho so yie andress yie shanta de papa ankova ho oba de akatasi ankatetene yese kata ho sie na bebe baba wanamu be yunufu mu be pentimu fine ya ne kama sedwa kama na sa brantie bi hu na ne kondo na ne petre na ofoso oyere kete na ni odikotuatu abaabi a he enya de obi aba be sha akire aba be defend bibia aba be giregyira bibia achi entino emandresi ye emantu omhofo emansiesie omhu ye abayiwa kata husie oye abayiwa te ho sane ebeya ade be makura hu a ne konkora nya de ebe eno awasiesie ho kama na nam ho printing basima wo ye wadwuma wo kona wo bani ade a ebe den kora ma be ma de ne kon aba abedon na mo so so be yi wa mu ni ade de ne sɛde etie bia na ebeka no eka ne nso na so obeka no wanfa wanye antumu nso de ne ode ohya so beye oya nso na de bamra sebedwe ode kɔ prostate han asa okopelo ya ne ade de awa danta wasema eka obebo ne ade ne wana winim entino obi ansiesie ne ho yie ode sansem wenyina kɔto dwa wɔ bra na girls fanfare bi ekoso no to nsafre no na okoka eho asem yentie said ye onimonyamfo Samuel Okudjeto Ablakwa eka ne nsam no bi esify
so group bi abeka bi am target your more na me pese me say omudin but advice I made them in Colano particularly minors 13 years 14 50 years or maybe adolescents. The question is a teenage pregnancy a pejane ho share statistics na a question kakra and idea emboying and it is very crucial sir investment in education in health scholarships. We need the results, and these are the future leaders. You hear these professionals. Recently, now you're a doctor, Tagaji. I had to make an offer, and I mean, now as I said, I rented, furniture, and all of that. And some are getting attractive, doctor. And Kayanka say, Yankola, Mwenye, medical school, or more scholarship. There is no dropout, no pregnancy here. I embrace her.
enti se kobane sadia na yentimi enyina ekire enhwe obia sa adwumadie na omo ye ede abo ema ayentete ede amama abo mukoko ede afa emprewanyin sendo adoso ho nti ye fight ede atia na emprewanyin sen eso etimi ate na onimonyamfo Samuel Okudjeto Abrakwa no tom mrahye bedwani onokro yanso kopiem mrahye bedwafia Committee on Foreign Affairs ranking member okahu bi na okasa yeyi ye to akase ebo no so enu ada na posifo ede betu dwa se pani a ono na ye dwemtirani ede ma NPP amanyoko no ewo bono mantam ni mu owura Kwame Bafo ye bone mrane se abronye omo achi no na krata ne mu nsem osi be no nine no mo shine senka omra mepiem ewo prosi asoye atena ekese ye mu headquarters na omechirechire mu watena radio so ene interview mpo ene ye frɛ no na okasa wo so na wo chese Ghana mampani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama oni akaidafo eka mu ho abom bra oti wo ya wo bonitinko si opem mampani fufuro die se na enya mampani fufuro bia o se obefa kwati kwanso na oni akaidafo akom ho abom na ne aban omo aba ye ne se moto omunwi obewure nyinyina tuagu na hwaye kwatre na Ghana hye se de SCC wo abibi man bia twetwa ye ho ahia no mali ni ade se sa na nkomo be pesenka omo so be ye wo omamu na Ghana hye papa ni aye kwatre na afi wa befa akonya no ediso na aposi 40 yanom se hey asem we di anu ahye we de yanto nsamfre no na ono ankasa emechiri mu man na ene IGP nso de na so omre ye ni ono abefa ne phone de afro fa ne phone krr na obo na homam owura kwa mebafo ye hian brana enzembi wo ho bra be yi anu man ne mpanifo bi frefre na ene ono ankasa ono so se na so omre ote ya pe ene ne otu nika no nan ne kwa wa manamo be dumienu mu ha na otu nika shi okokoro bi anka ne ho se ja mo se mechira asemu ene otu nika na okoy ene ne etoto na no de ne koy de ne ba de ne ko ne de ne ba ne ese ne ye ntimi ma won kofie nyame ya dom echina ye boan krata nyina no ne de wakọ akopiem ewo court na enchiremu bia ewo ho no wakọ ede akọ court se court gitum se asem a wo kan wuni for na eno ano ne de a ene ye betimi agyawo na se court anya ntum na se emra no se de etie bia no ene ye no pa ho de a de ye de beba no na yetimi ede a ye se de emra no besie no na ye di so pepepe enti eno ada no enya de omujai abronye ma ne kofie ekodi aduane papa bia emum otena posi asoye ho ekopem ende si ade ene no omo ye ntotoye ene ade nyina se de omde no bekwa kopiem ewo asenibia court na se de beko bia no ye wi aprem to bre kase mu no so no ye bebo wo amane yɛntoa kaseɛ bɔ no so yɛtoa so a ne yɛkɔ akɔpiem ɛwɔ apiati na wabɔ amaneɛ sɛ ɛyɛ ade a ɔmo bɛtera ɔmo akwabam pani a ɔno ɛna ɔyɛ dwamtirani ɛde ma committee a anaasɛ badwaku a yɛhyɛɛ sɛ ɔmo na ɔmo gyegye foto ɔmo gyegye sika krakrakrakrakra na yɛnsiesie apiati yie yɛnsa mpagya apiati ma nyina ne naso sɛ kyerɛme awura madam Joyce Aye ɔno ɛna yɛ dwamtirani ɛde ma saa committee no anaasɛ baaso bedwa no na ɔkyɛ sɛ ɔmo kyerɛ ɔmo akwabam abɔ kɔkɔkɔ awurawura fiefie mu asrɛ akoto asrɛ wedi ekotodwegu fam ensa dansa yam srɛ wa ahoɔden bɛso bia wobetimi aboa ɛde sika kakra ba bɛso ɔmo asene na ɔmo atimi ɛde asiesie apiati yie na ade hye ɛwɔ hɔ ɔmo ho ka adwa mu na ɔmo afɔ ɔmo ntoma pɛfra no wedi ɔmo bɛsrada ɔde sansɛm wɔ nyinaa kɔto edwa ɛwɔ Joy News yenuanom ɛwɔ Joy multimedia ɛso ɛna ɔkasa wɔ so na ɔkyerɛ sɛ ɔbɛsrɛ sɛdeɛ ɔmo ahoɔden betimi bia no ɔmo bɛyɛ na ɔmo atrɛ ɔmo nkwaba mu na obi a ne nsa bɛso bi so bi sɛ ɔbɛtimi aba bɛboa kɔ ɔmo mmoa na ɔmo atimi asiesie apiati yie no ɔmo bɛyɛ ne saa pɛpɛɛpɛ.
So just initially you're talking about the need for more and more people to come on board.
Yes.
What strategies are you adopting to get more people to support the fund?
One of the strategies is having a chat with you,
Right.
and hoping that beyond our chat, you will take up the matter and maybe you have something called a crawler.
Right.
You
That
can,
will
you can
always
crawl.
grow.
Yes, you can crawl the information, the PhD support fund, and make a contribution towards it, and so on. Another strategy is actually to write to corporate organizations and businesses and ministries and embassies and so on. We're also hoping to have access to some of these international organizations who are ready to support people that have to deal with disasters.
Right.
So we're hoping that we'll be able to reach out to them and that will get some out of them. We are hoping to reach also Ghanaians in the diaspora who will help us. So the banks that we've chosen, that is Ghana Commercial Bank and Stanbic Bank, they have short codes and GHQR. You can see I'm not doing it.
The QR
The QR code, yes. I don't know how to do it. I better learn very fast.
Get used to it very soon. Very, very soon.
Yes.
Right.
So we're using that. We also have a website, and on a corner on the website, you have donate, and some people have been donating to that as well.
Right.
Yeah.
wiase wɔ hɔ no onyɔnko ɛda ɛne woda ɛna unua ɛkɔ nsohwɛ mu nso ana waboa no ama ne ho ɛtumi atɔ no saa pɛpɛɛpɛ ɛna yɛde kyekyere ɔman na World Food Project ɛnso aba bɛyɛ adɔyɛ na pani a ɔno na ɛyɛ country director ɔman mu ɔno ɔwɔ ɔman mu director pani kwankyerɛfo ɔwɔ ɔda World Food Project ano wɔ ɔman mu ɛyɛ Barbara Clemens ɛna ɔkyɛ sɛ sika ɛne adeɛ a wɔde akɔ akɔma abusua bɛyɛ sɛ aduanan ne boɔ ɛsom $20,000 na ɔkyɛ sɛ ɔmommoa obiara ntiti ne mowuram kakrakrakra na ɔmo so deɛ ɔmo so wɔ ani ɛna ɔmo de sɔ asene na sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ obiara ho bɛha no na obiara ho bɛtɔ no kakrakra nti na ama no akɔba ne saa enye obiara pɛ sɛ atorɛnkyɛm a ɛmno ɔden sei ɛnto adehye nanso akɔba ne sa yɛn nyinaa yɛmmoai na yɛn nso ɔmo asene kakrakrakra.
There were tents, but they were too large and they wouldn't accommodate unique family units. So there are 40 of them. I'm not really sure of the exact value, but I think they're valued at about 20,000, around about that figure, US dollars, collectively, all of them. I think they had large tents and it wasn't very family friendly. And the Deputy Director General did mention that they couldn't move everyone from the hotel, but I think the issue in emergencies is getting people from those temporary solutions like the hotels and back into their families.
Na eno achi no na program policy officer Mame Anaman ono so kasa kakra di bi so kire se omo ba yete omo hoodin betumi bia na adwadifo a ewo ho na omo di dwa ewo apiati omo atimi asa egina omo na so
ye be hwese onu a ebia omotonton ade no so nsi enam explosion nti no mo adwuma se ne be hwe ye be ye hwehwemu kakra hwe se ye betumi so aboa ebia ma no kakra se ebia bibi omoto ebetumi ede aton ade mo de be omudi omo adwuma na no mo omu lusi ye no omo be san ede be san hwehwemu no se ebetumi ayesa ahoka na ebe yesa mo ano so ede abo mo
na mikobi ni manka bi nso de na ne wa nkokora ankaye eno achi no na atorenche mu abuafo abedi akire ewo man mu nadmo deputy nadmo director general owura saji amedonu enso se ma memfa kakra enso so na mikobi ni manka bi de na chase wa nkokora ankaye nti kakra no so de so ni yenhwe no
any we tent there a tent a friend family tent and only dia anka ye petitu so that ye betimi e di omo a atoyechem na to omo no ye betimi e di omo to their normal grouping no ho so that omo tent we mu a omo betimi anu omo duane sisi a omo normal life omo living before assembly see you know they will keep on living like that. So tent we there a beboy and papa
abusianfo aha ena brebe makwame yedi anopa no so akankase aye boa no nyina de edebesom wo no yedi besie ensam de di mu akoteni bi ni pani a oye edom kuma no eba no dani onumonyamfo Haruna Idrisu echeresem ade a so man no anasa aban no krampo efa kwantene ne so emra kwan so edeto nsafre onumonyamfo James Jachi Kwesin se omra court na nesam se onye no bra wo ba begina se yento ne so aba no no onye Ghana ni anasa onye Ghana ni no nesam no se oman no eto nsafre no omra kwan so dia ene NDC fo be yi omhu afirim na one emra no akwakodin nse de tie na ankoba no sanso de ene ye benye akwanside e de esi ano kwan ya yempene so masa de no entimi mba so mu nsisi obia sanso na aposifo e de krata apie mu eno anwumere e che se abronye DC ono na ye chairman e de ma NPP amanyoko no wo bro mantam ni mu o che se wache no enam nisem bi a okokeka edefa Ghana mampani dada His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ho se one Al-Qaeda fo akambom ba be yeku e de ati aban na omo atu aban egu no aposifo se sansem no omo nti asenti omra mechirim se abre ya meno kasa die owo aposifo asoye a IGP kukumoda ho se ya a omo boa enkrata no na enano payi omde no akwakopiem ewo asenibia abusuanfo nsem bika wenum ho ene eboa no ede besom se anopa no nso akankase wo Yok FM ene HYTV so enyuma ko ya da Roma na so yasenem Yok Estate Adams Boutique ena Sarabo Hotel omo na so yasenem ye de kase ebo na ebesom wo afi yeso so no okamafo Clement ebewa betena se no de Yok money no ede ababeto aso ede amount se de tie na entijebre na tenase na tamichuku na yemfe emesomo anopai osomfo eyemme His Excellency Nana Kwame Osu Nana Tino the Achim President ebasisia.
2 p.m. any PM I want to for me.
Because I've had to leave a lot abroad to come here. It's a big sacrifice. But the attorney said this.
Sorry. Your form was on my memoir and Pesua and Pesua. You so pa. So nobody.
Such a what you dear Christus and Paddy. Now, Unyame, ever now. On Concron, Ayo Yame, Unimadi.
Papa.
Now, Coach Samuel Puadu, Emma House of Folk, but in Sambi Etu, Jani Bufuye Pa. Now, videos.
What was the problem? No, they didn't struggle. It's because of the officiating. I didn't talk about officiating, but this time around, I hammered that area. Why can a referee take such a penalty?
Hytvgh, entertainment never dies.
Shirani my drugs, that nothing close to my heart. Oh my God. Everybody, thanks be to Jehovah. He's my redeemer. Thanks be to the Most High. He's my redeemer. Thanks be to Jehovah. He's my redeemer. Thanks be to the Most High. He's my redeemer.
I really don't deserve all the grace I'm enjoying from the Most High God, who is full of compassion. Without where will I be and what can I do? Thanks be to the Most High God for redeeming me from all this for sure.
He's Almighty God. He's Alpha Omega. He's the ruler of this world. He will come again. He's Almighty God. He's Alpha Omega. He's the ruler of this world. He will come again.
I do mean and come for me. Yes, only way I'm a matime wo. I said, I'm Kenya me. I ain't Canadian. I promise wo.
I am
Are you ready? Ready to walk with the Lord? To walk with the Lord? Are you ready? Are you ready?
Abushema watsema wakwaba eba yoke family Hytvgh so ana pay atsena se ewo dwumadi ayato ni din se yok morning so die na woni mi se die eko twiko breman Ghana man emunsem na yede ba besum wo din ede okamafo Clement atsena se ewo erade edimu se mesum o my Ghana ene mi nyankopon bo me Waiting a max, I was said. What's so they want to my baby Diano? Now, afraid I drink Ghana home. Your penny may be a poor Sibra. Your penny can't call Ghana and Kwani a war. Baby, I call. Wana pay it in a cine, a ye a man yankopon, a warning, Tresso party, a shaggy. Sans and Adam in a huma brontini, that's what Tia said. And that day or day, young Quan a chain, yeah. Casse or Dassibre, you are a come for your yoke. That was not I was saying, on your state. You make Kuba was so much in the pan. I sent a bibiaso and Koye, was so much and I'm did you make a bro. Aton's boutique so I age me kuba kwa e banonta de papa dia wo honom na benya bi e wo bo wode na frɛ na ni wodi ko mo papa dia wodo ni nyina watches awodo impabo awodo bibiara 8485 na woni wona atwete ko mo na bibia so akoyi ama me to so de na meka wo serable hotel a 5-star hotel abchese bibia e wo mo master bedroom king size bed. Bibiara wo no e moderate. Modern answer betimi akọ. Na so akọ share, you know the service are more render e wo no. Go and experience a very good hospitality. Na wo sube hu say baby wo Ghana ha. But modern na ekọ ho. Omo kaso anyanya road. Na anyone ending come on. Say one open nchechemu bia 024-2222-2929 chinko. Ni se mebre na etwegu e wo Ghana ha say amane ayensa ate efi Ghana Police Service and says isi ano ya che eye abrantie abronye DC na ne offense ne say a police for the two dwan say otena baby e kansem bia na e kire say o mampanyin da Mahama of planning answer or one she be a chess or betimi to a bino egu and I aban to go. Police for friend say and come be my one church answer one be one no want to be mu emphasize ansem no abrantie no emua na afi okopie mu wo police for action as see ano enne wode ne kwakogina emranim na afi de wakoyi nsem bi ano esema koso wo Ghana no ano den afei so di atwa dwa bako eno sense arante Oliver ye chi no ye de na kujira nseniani anase mrani se onko yi sembia no ma brante Oliver no chese nansia ono so ko keka na adwen se onyaku obeye ku no kasi obeye no na ya gro kwan so anase na nani abrante no owo akade e kire se obetimi ayeku ana ku kura ye de akade na ye ana ye de ya no ene ye ya dwini mu ade anase obetimi anya apamfo bi obetimi aka ho ama waye ina ye nsema etwegu ogana hanama wose ye ka ho asem a obedi ye hu ne puma sibre black kwaso eden se bia betudwa e won peso ane so se wona waye wona adwen se emai wana wonam eye ekuro nu mu ho wo betu won muna no onso bomodi ase obetimi assist wasoma nsem bi e de akoma won se samrante na won nam etoto to muna no enya nsaso mu a yenhwe se wo ye chief na wo ye chese wo dibre yenhwe wo hwe enya se de bekwa ko gina mra nanim na mra ne wen edi isem no edoso pa asin not MP no emi ama ne bill na ye de ama no 100,000 Ghana cedis munsem nyina ye de bebe to dwa na wo so ehu de ekone de ba apieti support fund no gusu ho no betimi de wo de akotum Madam Joyce Ayi de nsem kakra de abetudwa ono so acheche na adwen a say opa omanfo ache say wonso wombo mo de anse betimi abo ama bibia so akoyi nsem na eto so pa but before we go send the next on the list the newspaper review and then we go on with the show but before then no let me encourage you with these words Yes, we be a mission crying a massia kaiwo. This is a word of caution. Make I was say, Bibia we be an Ayasha chance why yes Sadiano. Omodian say Bibia we in a Kaiwachi Kaiwachi and why Bibia we in Ayasha with you. Sometimes you know there are motivational speakers that will tell you that the past is not important. Look at your back or don't look back when you are doing certain things. They will distract you. They will tell you a whole lot of things. But today I'm telling you that there are a lot of things that when you are about to do, you have to check your background and then look back, cast your mind afar before you do certain things. Because in Yemeni be wo oh yana se wo kai se wo mame e wo wachi wo busuan baby a wo fi wo kai se obi na bo a wo okay, you will realize that you should not do certain things. You realize that you have to do certain things. You realize that you have to take certain decisions, and you also realize that some decisions are not meant to be what made because maybe what do you say? It's in the catch that was saying the biara we na yashwechi maybe what Jesus Christ and go for bishop mochi anka and community omosho mochi anka baby omodasi anka mo na omanhwe mochinti ama wona busua ene wo echese wona fofo nkofo bebre akwamani the decisions that they took did not help their environment. The society frowns against a lot of things that you do. It's a nyema bi wo no ma wo ya na wahwe achi. On to the newspapers for today. I'll read the headlines for you. We'll boss on. We'll move on from there. Yes, near the Daily Graphic and on the front page of the Daily Graphic, or say go back to lecture theaters. Court orders Utah go back to lecture theaters. Court orders UTAG and also nsema Daily Graphic no I reported what had University Teachers Association of Ghana when you say best 1 month in oma to etia omonko lectures and also omonko kire emofrana de na court at the ensembi at the aba order UTAG for say one more the answer will be me class no wakoye won adwuma Europe votes 203 million euros for 3 programs. And also Ewa Hanama Enye Asem Kitwa. Vice President opens 3,000 free online courses. Vice President opens 3,000 free online courses. And also Nsembia Hytvgh Ewa the front page of the Daily Graphic. I say get all the help you need with a single call. And also one of the issues are not uncombe report, but I wouldn't read that one. I will move to the other one and then read because this one is kind of adverts. Bleaching among people's worrying. Minister Ene Kano. Sisi amo Franketin Kete omoso omo po muhu a enya sem ketwa. Bank of Ghana louds Otunfo for role in economic development and also Nsema Hytvgh Ahadam. The Daily Guide also are reporting maybe Ahadam said National Labour Authority received 2 million Ghana cedis from Frank J. And also one of the biggest stories at Hytvgh Ahadam. Boga MP gets 100,000 Ghana cedi bill and also Hytvgh Ahadam. Is it Attorney General or Auditor General? Let me read it as it is. AG files forcing trial papers. AG files forcing trial papers. And also one of the stories at Hytvgh Ahadam. Police detain Abronye. And also Ewa Hanama Hytvgh Ewa Hase. Return to classroom. Court orders UTAG. Moving from the Daily Guide to the Ghanaian Times. No, the Ghanaian Times report say our agenda is better conditions of service for teachers. New NAT executives and ye choose you almost kase sisi ayafo mo se omo ye NAT executives Ghana National Association of Teachers and ye yi won panyfo and wo impanyfo no e kire se won ani suade hu na eda woni ni so a wo pese wo de ema omanfo ni teachers fo nyina ne se wo pese wo ma a teacher fo tenabia pa ene adwuma no conditions papa obeti media ye adwuma be ma bibia so akọ 13 Asin North MP granted 100,000 bill 100,000 Ghana cedi bill and so one of the stories Hytvgh ewo newspapers ni nyina emu. Residents of 3 cities and I say communities commend IGP for fight against land guards. 17 new schools opened, completed under Valco Fund, 0 schools under trees project. And also Nsema Hytvgh, it has been reported at the front page of the Ghanaian Times. Go back to classroom, court orders UTAG. And also Nsema Hytvgh the front page of the Ghanaian Times. Moving from that place, no, na ye call the publisher. Na the publisher no obetwe Nsema Hytvgh ewa hanbia. Cocoa Board takes chocolate week to church, schools and other institutions and also enya asem keto mfonyini nyina egu hanama chese chocolate week no yenyina yedi ndra na Valentine and crowd for or na say Monday no specifically na Valentine for a celebrity ya na chese bibia so ekoye. Now public press no reporting sembi wa hadam Abronya is all over the newspapers, but the public press is reporting say Abronye in police grips over coup claims against Mahama. Utah suffers setbacks and also as courts places injunction on strike. When you say in the Constitution of Ghana now, the court is mandated to put or impose what we call injunction. For so one more answer what we call back to the classroom and then teach the children or lecture them. Boga MP in court as court next paper to talk about. The custodian reported saying Hassan Tambuli inaugurates a year tea explosion well. Probe males there or no so or kase yenhwehwe a year at males in sense minimum. Koku petitions a year police. Unim say or no he is one of the leading members of the NDC. Frank Jay's company pays 2 million Ghana cedi fees to operate Lotto. NDC evicted MP on 100,000 Ghana cedi bill, and also Hytvgh anum. Now the informal newspaper now say coup allegation against Mahama provide evidence or face consequences. Ghanaians demand of Abronye race for NDC 2024 flag bearership. Mahama damaged commodity. No, Obi Asama Wakan or say Mahama is a damaged commodity. Stalwarts wants a party or no, and a Kasa had him saying Sosu GBA draws swords and also in Sema Ekoso Ghana Bar Association to be precise, and I make come once them. Or more and I can't send be Eddie Akoma a year Sosu, a year Ura Sosu, a year Madina MP, a year Ura Sosu, or no, a lawyer. Now, what I said time now, what year demonstration recently, no, or the same be to just say a year judges, Nibi or we are political judges. No na Ghana Bar Association for Eddie Abase. In Sema Papa Ekano and 2 years sans or no crano or a lawyer in Sema Ekoso in the field of barristers, and I say lawyers no he must be very, very careful on the way he puts his thoughts any idea just one so what bomb answer wait me and no a D. According to their code of conduct, Ghana sliding back into a culture of silence era. Media Foundation boss rebuffs a CSOS claims, and also a Waharma Enya Asem Ketua. The Inquisitor and also Eka and Sembi Waharm saying or say scary moment, Maslog in distress. Insincere lies about lies about Dr. Prempe and also Hanum. Sosu fires a year back at Ghana Bar Association. Boss board gags a year workers and also Hanum say daily. Analysts are reporting Sembi Wahanama and also Mekai just about 2 pena afedi sianum cocaine gang busted in UK and also and Sema Hytvgh Wahanam saying Ghana journalism and media freedom crisis. Suleiman ne in Semi Kakra Wahanama omode reporting Wahanam saying so calls Ghana Bar Association's bluff. Say omo bluff your munim de omo can leave Adwa Safo alone. Why na e kasa ni nyina e wa hanam say obetimi akokan wo the daily analyst in some edosum say na me kan ye no yache abronya tisia na de ne kwako gina embranim say on be kyerɛkyerɛ eye de ekoso e wo ne kasa mu no on be kyerɛkyerɛ mu ne yehu de opa kyerɛ sanse obi eye den obi peso oyeku na se wonya idea no na se wetimi aka in public there not just say you have you might have what we call much information about de eba be koso ni ntino bra na ebe de ebe chichiri me no ntina eye court anase police for eto nsafre na sisi a na ede ne kwakọ gina emranim eti nsem no edoso pa o say me wo eye press release eye police for ede be tu dwa no na yede eto so na wo so wakan bi no o say head you can say heading or say arrest of Mr. Kwame Bafo alias Abronye DC. Mr. Kwame Bafo, popularly known as Abronye DC, reported to the Accra Regional Police Command following an invitation extended to him to assist investigation. And also, and you know, that is the basis of the arrest. You can say, you can a seminar about, you know, you know, make a lot of allegations, but may call the third paragraph, may call the next paragraph, but may call the third paragraph. Also, in view of this, he has been formally arrested and charged on 2 counts of publication of false news and offensive conductive to breaches of the peace. You know, and also sema Hytvgh ewo horoma yache Abronye DC inzi nsem no edoso, but when him say yembre no ayebe ewo sema bomodi ana me sorry dwumadi ni so na dwumadi aka no yede ebesomo ewo eye Yok FM and Hytvgh so ntine ye won nyema bebre yede ba besomo meeting edi okama for Clement me betena odwa ne so edi eye Yok morning ebede besomo na meto aso no na mekai wo se Hytvgh state Hytvgh ba ko a bano nsase dia na chese wona kachi na obenye bi wo honom bomode asa betimi akọ Hytvgh state na wakoje wo de from 0243700845 0243708485 na ne wo entwetwe nkomo na ene wo ntwetwe nkomo afa ma mekai wo se Adon's boutique so entade she bibia ewo hono ma wetimi akoto wo so watade ana wa fade bia shoes ahodo boutique kese pa anti wetimi akoje wo de 0243708485 na woni wona twinkomo srabo hotel se me kan che hospitality they are very good at it intino bomode asa wetimi akoho no na wo so wetimi akojojo wo ho hono ukọ kaswa ne importem dia you have the best experience omo onyenya road ne so wetimi won Edin Komo Abrao Fre 0242222920242229 na afide won Edin Komo ebusia hana me we si na ochna ye the full segment of this show ebrao na afide wo so watimi ayeden ama wo so ani agina wahu de ekoso ewo Ghana ha say oko Facebook Hytvgh Ghana bomodi answer watimi like na wa share na bibia so akoyi YouTube so Hytvgh Ghana medin ere come for Clement mede wo asi